Hello. So you're interested in tracking your eBay items and seeing where your customers come from and uh, what your conversion rate is, how many people look at it, as opposed to how many people actually click the buy button. This is a great application for you to use. Key Googalytics is a bridge between your eBay items, and Google Analytics. So what I'm going to show you first is how to set it up. It's pretty simple if you've ever used Google Analytics before, but it's not so simple if you haven't. It took me a long time. So just very uh, simply, what we need from Google Analytics is this tracking code here, and then for you to fill in the settings just like this. So go to Google Analytics, and I believe is all you need is a Google account. Oops. And you'll have to set up an account. I'm not exactly sure how that works, but to create a new tracking code, go to Admin, Account, and then create a new account. And what would you like to track? A website. So the account name is whatever you want it to be. And the website name is eBay. And then just type in www.ebay.com. And agree to everything, get the tracking ID and accept the terms. So now you have this number, and that is all we need to within Key Googalytics to add your items to the Google Analytics. Then fill in ebay.com, add the tracker code. The tracker code is a just a code that we put on the bottom of your listings that allows us to track your items specifically. And then path to items, ebay.com /ITM / and all the settings here. I don't really understand those, so if you don't either, then just leave them the same and just trust our settings, I guess. So that should start adding or click save this information, and that should start adding a tracker code to the bottom of all your items, and you should start seeing immediately some sort of activity. But what you'll have to do is go to one of your items in your store, for example, I have this little pig. It's going. It's done in 6 days. But then look in your Google Analytics and find the account. I named it Key Googalytics Tracking, all website data, and then click on Real Time and the overview. And see, right now, I'm the one person looking at it. That's where I live. Come find me in that big orange dot. So it is set up correctly and it is working. Now let's look a little bit into let's turn on the conversion rate quick. So in Google Analytics, we're going to go to the admin make sure you selected the account that you just set up, and under View Settings, go down and turn on this e-commerce tracking, and that'll keep track of who actually clicks on stuff and buys it via PayPal or what do they call those? The cashiers online, and for some reason Google can tell that. Oh, and then make sure you save it. So I have, you can look at let's look at our website here for a little bit of an idea of what you can see. So you can see overall how many visits you get on average per day, and your busiest days you can kind of tell, and it tells how long people stay on your website, and how many people are new or returning, and which country they come from. You can also see demographics, interests, geo, behavior, who's a mobile customer. That might be important so that you keep track of your who's buying from you via mobile and who's looking at uh, your items via mobile. And then you can look down here for conversions. Now we don't have I don't believe we have this set up for our website because we don't have a cashier service. Our applications are through eBay and PayPal. But that's important. Here, let's look at my store that I had set up before. You can see real time, but if you want to see overall, maybe I believe it's the last 30 days. It says over here January 18th through February 17th. So what's interesting is you can see what city people are looking at, and operating system might be important. New versus returning, that's always nice. And they were all new visits, 0 transactions, 0 revenue. Poor me. So I know that a lot of experts in the eBay world have been talking about tracking your items and seeing where people come from. And it's important if you start doing a little bit of advertising and your business becomes a little more successful. The only way to get more traffic on your items or your website is to spend a little bit of money. Unfortunately, it's the truth, because there's some big guys out there that take us out, and we don't like that. But that's why our application, Key Googalytics, is only 99 cents a month. It's cheap, or not cheap, it's inexpensive enough for the small guys, but powerful enough for the big guys. So if you have any questions, we have a great support team on our website. You can reach out for support right here. It'll take you to our website, and then open a ticket and just type in your information and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed my video. Have a great day and start tracking your items and figure out who's buying from you. Thanks.